from your home
on TSMN
Virtual.
Last episode, basement camping, it was so much fun. But at the end, we had such a big mess. So, in this episode, we're going to be doing
Cleaning!
Woo! And I'm going to be so excited because at the end of the episode, our parents will be so happy for us of how clean the house is.
I think they will.
Yeah.
Let's split into groups.
Okay.
So, how about I will do the mopping?
Okay.
And how about you do the counters?
Okay.
Let's get to work.
Let's go.
Oh my god, that's like, the plant is like a special plant that makes the whole house good.
Yeah, speaking of plants, look at our house plants. Look how, dull they are.
Hey, that was my idea.
Well,
You got it.
How about for the next episode is indoor gardening.
Wow, amazing. Vivan.
And I'm Renae, and you're watching us in our home from your home
Stay tuned for our next episode, which is indoor gardening.
on TSMN Virtual.
Bye.